Hi, kids. Welcome to our fun color mixing video. Today, we are going to learn how mixing different colors can create brand new ones. Let's get started. First, we have red and blue. What do you think will happen if we mix them? Wow, look at that. Red and blue make purple. Isn't that magical? Now, let's see what happens when we mix red and yellow. Ready? Look, it's turning into a bright orange. Red and yellow together make orange. Okay, now we're going to mix blue and yellow. What color do you think it'll make? Check it out. Blue and yellow make green. How cool is that? What about white and black? Let's mix them and see what happens. Look, it's turning into gray. When we mix white and black, we get gray. Finally, let's mix white and red. This one is a favorite. Wow, we made pink. White and red together make a lovely pink. Look at all the amazing colors we made today. Purple, orange, green, gray, and pink. You can try mixing colors at home, too. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more fun and learning.